In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart for silver futures. We remain in positive MACD, we're at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4 hour chart, we are in negative MACD but approaching to positive MACD territory. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we are in negative MACD and slightly off of oversold condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.13, and my sell target is at $22.36. My stop loss is at $19.77. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.81, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $20.52, and my stop loss is at $24.24. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 21% chance to climb between 0 to 8.4%. To the downside, it has a 64% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8.4%, and a 7% chance to fall between negative 8.4 to negative 16.8%, and a 7% chance to fall between negative 17 to negative 26%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.